And in line with that discussion, something I did a small video about, which I like to call as innovation flow, uh, because when we are thinking of great ideas, or new ideas or new ways of doing things, we are in a flow. There's an energy flow, right, in our brain. And the way the brain works, it doesn't work in a sequential fashion, right? It doesn't work in a specific process. It works all across, and there are so many bulbs are, they go while you're thinking about those things. Now, when it comes to the tool, uh, how do you think the tools can leverage that sort of brain activity that's going on in that innovator's mind and reflect into an application without getting bogged down by a typical development lifecycle process that we are so used to over decades? What do you think can help in that regard?
Um, so I like that question a lot, and I like the term innovation flow. And I agree with you 100%. Um, um, let me try to define, if I can, let me define innovation flow. So for me, it refers to that ongoing process of generating and implementing innovative ideas within the organization, right? That's what we're talking about. So it's interesting. I like that term so much, Ali, because I've always had a mantra in the career in my career, either working for large companies or within the companies that I've developed myself, of this whole mantra of innovate and iterate. How do you do that effectively? And the tools have matured to the point where we can do that more effectively than ever before. I think the no code platforms enhance that innovation flow by, again, we keep coming back to this, enabling the rapid prototyping and iteration, and that democratization of development. That democratization of development, allowing more people to contribute to that innovation flow, is really an awesome thing, because when you think of innovation, you may have an idea. I may have an idea. I may want to create a company of X based upon this idea, but it's really the collaborative nature that allows that idea to grow and create new things, right? And working with other folks that you were, a lot of times you get to your ideas are within brackets, and you need outside stimuli to say, have you thought about this, have you done that? So that ability to innovate and involve non-technical users and supporting agile practices and fostering that collaboration is really a big deal. And I think because of that, you're not only bringing solutions to the market faster, but you got this flexibility in design, and you're empowering this broader range of contributors that you haven't been able to bring in to that cycle, that innovation flow, uh, uh, for decades. So I think I think it allows organization to seamlessly move that idea generation for implementation, and at the same time fostering that culture of continuous creativity, improvement. And I've always summed that up as innovate, iterate. So now you can truly do that while involving the whole organization. So I think that's a very key point. So that would be my perspective on